Here is the Snowpack sensor for the Arduino Final Project Phase 3. I really appreciate having to record a video of this instead of upload things because it really forces me to learn how to use all of my hands because I have to hold a camera while simultaneously using this. So to do that, you can see here we've got our outputs, and when we turn it on using this button right here, we will begin to see our outputs going. Now there's 3 numbers there. The one on the far left is the distance sensor. This will tell you how deep the snowpack is. The one in the middle is the temperature sensor, and that will tell you how cold it is. That last sensor there is the force sensor, and when I apply a force to it, it will detect that. Now, when you're done recording, we can go ahead and press our off button, and then go export this data to be processed by our MATLAB program. Now, to show all sensors functioning, we'll start recording again. What a brilliant way to do this. You can see that distance sensor changing as I move it. Now it's a little hard to show the temperature sensor changing, so I'll just skip ahead to the pressure sensor, which you can see when I put a force on it, which will represent the stiffness of the snowpack. We get a change in the last number there. Going down, yep. Awesome, and now all of this is one piece. The next step of the process is going to be to construct the final platform, which will be out of some sort of waterproof material. The sensors attached at the bottom will be this flex sensor, which tests the stress of the snowpack, the ultrasonic sensor, and then the thermometer, which can be inside of this waterproof casing. The ultrasonic sensor will be fine just outside, and the force sensor will also be fine just outside as long as you don't leave it sitting in the snowpack all day. So ideally, you would press it into the snowpack and then pull it out, and then turn it off as soon as you're at the top. From that, you could extract the maximum depth, the force along that depth of the snowpack, and the temperature along the depth of the snowpack as well. This will help you be able to find any facets in the snowpack, different layers, and can generally be useful information. Like I said, the last step of the process is going to be to mount this to the final platform. All right, in case we have to show our faces like the other ones,